Testosterone is an essential hormone for both sexes, and it is naturally produced in the body. Yet, its deficiency is more concerning in the case of men, as it is directly related to numerous aspects, including muscle mass, libido, and energy levels. In case the levels of this hormone are reduced, the person also experienced a decrease in these aspects too. Despite the reduced energy levels, libido, and muscle mass, it will also cause other health problems, like irritability, depression, cognitive issues, difficulty sleeping, and lack of confidence. In the case of low testosterone levels, you should follow the tips below in order to naturally raise them, treat the symptoms, lose weight, and increase the libido. Get better sleep. In order to improve your overall health and regularly perform physical exercises, you should get enough sleep and rest, at least 7 hours each night. The Journal of the American Medical Association published a story that showed that sleep deficiency may decrease testosterone levels by 10 to 15%. Reduce the blood sugar levels. The consumption of foods rich in sugar leads to increased blood sugar levels. According to research, high blood sugar levels limit the release of this hormone by 25%. Therefore, it is of high importance to reduce the intake of flour and sugar. Deal with stress. Stress contributes to reduced testosterone levels, as well as depression, hostility, and anxiety. Therefore, you need to find a way to treat these issues, and getting enough sleep and regular exercise can be of great help. Increase your muscle mass. You can gain more muscle mass by strenuous workout, as it will regulate the function of your metabolism, and thus support testosterone production. Also, regular exercise will prevent the loss of muscle mass which normally occurs due to aging. You should exercise several times a week. When it comes to boosting the production of this hormone, make sure you regularly do squats, push-ups, deadlifts, chin-ups, bench presses. Nutrients intake. With the intake of unhealthy, processed foods, the body lacks important nutrients which are of vital importance to overall health. In order to increase testosterone levels, make sure you also intake these nutrients, either naturally or through supplementation. Vitamin D. This vitamin is extremely important for the synthesis of testosterone, sperm count, and the healthy development of quality semen. The sun is the best natural source of it, but you can also take vitamin D3 supplements in certain periods of the year, or if you live in a country where there is not enough sunlight. Zinc is vital for the production of testosterone. However, the production of this mineral decreases with age. Thus, should incorporate the following foods into your regular diet: raw milk, beans, protein-rich foods, raw cheese, sunflower seeds, yogurt or kefir, and pumpkin seeds. However, make sure you do not take more than the recommended dosage, as you may experience various health issues. Healthy fats. Your testosterone levels will also be increased with the consumption of healthy fats, which include saturated fats from animal sources and coconut oil. Additionally, raw nuts, olive oil, raw eggs, and avocados are also rich sources of healthy fats. The reduced levels of testosterone may seriously damage health, so if you cannot regulate them naturally, you should consult your doctor in order to treat the issue. Hormonal imbalances may be a result of certain medical conditions, but these tips may be useful for most people. However, you should never ignore the signals of the body, and symptoms like depression, tiredness, low libido, irritability often indicate low testosterone levels. If you treat the issue on time, you will prevent further complications. You should always consume healthy foods, regular exercise, and manage stress.